being a one-man army and the leading from the front, I have been seeking that clarity for the good 1.5 years ever since I got into my new venture last April. And there are a lot of ifs and buts were going on in my mind, which I had been shedding from on a weekly or a monthly or a quarterly basis when I was sitting on my business plan, but nothing was working out, though things were working. And then the lockdown happened, which actually gave a pause and yet another round of confusion. Though I pivoted my business, but the kind of clarity I was seeking wasn't coming up. The main purpose of getting back to the same health level was because my work capacity was reducing for the last 2-3 years, and it was impacting my work. It was impacting my decision making capability, capacity. It was definitely affecting my work environment, not just me, but the people around me. And that was, I started feeling that it's not actually good. And sometimes I used to feel that things are actually going to go bad. I was not able to think through. I was not able to keep myself so patient enough to think through the problem and find a solution. The best thing which I observed during those 7 days, we were not taught. We were made to feel. We were doing meditation, we were doing yoga, we were going through therapies, we were having normal food, and we were getting knowledge about it, and at the same time we were feeling, we were living that thing. And I think that's the best part, because we actually experienced that by ourselves. We were not told, we were not given a script. We were not having set, the rules or the guidelines. This is how it has to happen. No, we were left free to experience by ourselves, and I think that's what the best thing. So I personally realized how to calm myself, and it was more of a close to reality, in the sense, the logic behind what is happening, what we are going through, what we are seeing, what we are experiencing. It was more around the clarity rather than just believe it is like this. No. So the freedom, the mind observed all those energies, and I think the result of that is 7 days were amazing. I was getting good sleep, and because of getting good sleep, my body was relaxed. I was calm. This particular objective which I had of getting more clarity in my mind, definitely recovering from the problem which is getting developed in my body, and finding not the medicinal cure but a permanent cure through my body itself. That's something which I wanted, and I think that's what happened during those 7 days. And the clarity, the techniques, rather, I would say, the techniques which I learned, the skills which I learned, I wish I could have learned those in my MBA or during my school days. I would have been much more, I would have achieved much more what I have done so far, but nevertheless, there's always a good time to start new things. And so I take it very positively. The techniques which I learned during this entire program of focus building. A blunder happened during those 7 days back in my office. I was calm. Otherwise, if I compare it with the situation, if similar situation would have happened a year ago, I would have blasted. I would have actually gone into huge tension. I would have created a mess around the office, would have actually made hundreds of calls, how to resolve it, taken things on my own. Ultimately, this time I was purely calm. A blunder happened. I just told my team member, boss, figure out a way. It happened, leave it. And trust me, within half an hour, we had a solution in our hand, and not just a solution. And after that, things have improved, that this mistake is not going to happen. So I feel what I did wrong in my previous ventures, because This was not something which I was doing. And that's one thing. Me being focused, me being more relaxed, I closed 2 mega deals. And the work for that one deal is starting now. And these two are international deals. Okay, one from US, I'm launching their product in India. One from Singapore, I'm launching their products in India as well. And I built a good pipeline. And just to share the news, those another two good deals which I initiated during that period. Hopefully, I'm closing this Friday again. So I'll have 4 deals coming out of that. Just 7 days period, which I started and closed as well. And the things which I felt there, as I said, that we didn't learn, we experienced. So that experience is with us. It's there in my mind. It's there in my body now, and it's even coming. The results are coming now, and they are much better as I am actually following that. It's not just me who wants to do; it's my body which is asking me to. Boss, put yoga kar, put meditation kar, shanti se baith, and that's the best part. Generally, we go to some courses, some programs. We have been like our mind is like they brainwash our mind and they feed in few things. They push it. This time, I think I took it rather than was given to me. It was there. Ye hai. And I took it whatever I wanted, and I think basis my capacity of observing things, I could observe whatever I could, and that is the best thing. So I may have picked up only a percentage of the things, but it's working. I don't care. Like I could receive 100% of what was available, but whatever was there for me, I could have it, and I'm actually using it. So yesterday only, I did my half-yearly planning. I removed a lot of clutters out of my offering. I removed a lot of wrong data points which I was using just to create a pressure on myself and my team. So I have only few KPIs to track, a crystal clear focus, a crystal clear plan in front of me, and I was so relaxed yesterday evening after 7 p.m. I had no work to do. Otherwise, I was like working till 10. Okay, I just keep on thinking, okay, I should go back to the work and all. I was actually relaxed after 7 p.m. I had no work. I spent the evening with my family, and morning I was again relaxed, came to office, and trust me, 3 hours, my job is done for the day because I have a clarity.